Hello friends, welcome to all in a Sushrut Raizade official channel. In this video, we will learn the Loeffler boiler. This is the third video of the boiler series. Now, why this Loeffler boiler is developed? The main reason is that we have seen in previous videos the Lamont boiler and Benson boiler. Lamont boiler has a more weight. Therefore, in a Benson boiler, the evaporating drum which is present in the Lamont boiler is removed and the weight gets reduced in the Benson boiler. And but there is again disadvantage in the Benson boiler. The disadvantage is that the salt deposits are in the evaporative tubes. Therefore, the heat generation rate gets reduced in the Benson boiler. Therefore, Loeffler boiler is developed. In this Loeffler boiler, the salt deposits in the evaporating tubes and the weight of the boiler is maintained, or the disadvantages of the Lamont boiler and Benson boiler is removed in this Loeffler boiler by providing a superheating steam or providing the steam in the evaporative tubes. The salt deposits disadvantage is removed. How this is happened, let us see the working and construction of the Loeffler boiler. In this Loeffler boiler, the air preheater is used, economizer is used, second part is economizer, third part is a evaporative drum, then steam circulating pump and the superheaters, radiant superheater and convective superheater. Now again in this Loeffler boiler, the heat is received from the flue gases which are coming from the combustion chamber and passes over the economizer, air preheater, and then it is going to the chimney. Now what is the working of the Loeffler boiler? Now, as case in both the boiler, Lamont and Benson boiler, same is happened in case of air preheater. The air is preheated by using the heat of the flue gases which are coming from the combustion chamber, and that preheated air is supplied to the combustion chamber so that the efficiency increases. Combustion gets more easy. Then economizer, the first of all, the feed water is coming into the economizer with the help of a feed pump. That feed water is getting preheated in the economizer and then passed to the evaporating drum. Now in the evaporating drum, the preheated water gets converted into the steam, and that steam is circulated with the help of steam circulating pump to the radiant superheater. That radiant superheater and convective superheater, both are the superheater, receives the heat from the combustion chamber and the flue gases, and the steam is gets superheated. The steam which is coming from the evaporating drum gets superheated in the superheater, and then that steam is supplied to the turbine. But the steam which is supplied to the turbine is only 1/3 steam is supplied to the turbine. Remaining 2/3 steam is removed from the or drawn from this main steam towards the evaporating drum. In this evaporating drum, the superheated steam is passed to the evaporating drum through the nozzles. These are the nozzles, so that the total superheated steam which is coming from the main steam is distributed totally into the evaporating drum. Therefore, the preheated water which is coming from the economizer gets converted into the steam, and that steam is then circulated to the superheaters. So in this boiler, the steam is converted into this evaporating drum. Therefore, the salt deposits which are in the evaporating drum is resolved. The problem of the salt deposit is resolved in the evaporating drum, because the steam is Steam is generated outside the evaporative tubes, therefore the water is not provided to the evaporative tubes, so there is no possibility to possibility of the salt deposition in the evaporative tubes, because the steam is generated in the evaporative drum and that steam is provided to the evaporative tubes. This is the working of Loeffler boiler. The advantage of the Loeffler boiler is Loeffler boiler can carry higher salt concentration than any other type. It can carry higher salt concentration than any other type. Second advantage is that since the evaporative tubes of a Loeffler boiler carries only superheated steam, therefore no salt deposition, so it is suitable for the marine application. Advantage is that it can be used for the marine application. What is the reason behind that? There is no salt deposition in the evaporative tubes because we only provide the superheated steam to the evaporative tubes. Third advantage is that boiler is compact in design. These are the advantages of the Loeffler boiler. Thank you.